What's up, everybody? This is Infinity Boy 10, and today, guys, we're back with another episode of Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's, and this is part 3. I almost got confused. I almost said 4, but finally we're back, guys, and of course from vacation. But I think you guys all know, but still, sorry I haven't uploaded in that much. So, but never mind, but whatever. Let's just continue our game, our night 4. So, yeah, let's see what will happen. And yeah, sorry I'm a little sweaty because of course it's hot right now. It's summer. Where I was, it wasn't that, like it was kind of like normal. So yeah, but it was like cool over there for some reason. Like cool, but like, in weather, kind of cool. So shit.
Wow, day 4. I think you can do it. Hey, listen, I may not be around to send you a message tomorrow.
Why not?
It's been a bad night here for me.
Well, I did too, so
I'm kind of glad that I recorded
I shouldn't be complaining. Chica's out, okay. Where's Bonnie?
Do me a favor. Maybe sometime
The heck?
check inside those.
I'm trying to press the button.
I'm going to try to hold out until someone
What the heck is going on? Oh, sorry, guys.
maybe won't be so bad. Yeah, I always wondered what was in all those empty heads back there.
Trying to press a button. What the heck is going on? Yeesh. Well, phone guy's dead now, so that's great. Well, being sarcastic because now we have nobody to give us tips. So, or be able to survive night 5 without him. Okay, there's Bonnie. Chica. Oh God. Why does his head shake? He's like, that's how he is. Not having any problems, but still. Why is he like that? Did you watch that movie? What was that? Oh yeah, you're like those guys from the movie. I think it's I don't remember actually. It's called something like The Night at the Roxbury, something like that. I think it's an old movie. It's like something like I think it's kind of like in early 2000s or the 1990s. I think probably 2000s. I don't think it's that old, but yeah, I don't know. My brother showed me that movie, so yeah, and then the guys are doing like that. Like I said, I don't have any problems. Okay, there's Bonnie again. Oh shoot. But where's Chica then? No, are you serious? Come on. I guess we're gonna have to die. Okay, Bonnie, keep your breath down. I think we're gonna need some mints. Yeah, we need to buy Bonnie some mints. But okay, well not done. I'm gonna end the episode, but okay, guys. So I'm gonna pause the video right here, and I'll try to get at least back to where I was in the in the game. So see you guys when I'm back, at least probably at 3 a.m. So I'm gonna not try to die. So yes, see you guys. Wait, I'm almost there, guys. Wait, come on, I'm pressing my thing. Oh shoot, what am I doing? Okay, bye guys. Is this working? Come on. Pressing. Yeah, I'm still here, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So didn't take that long just to get here. So yeah, there's Bonnie at least. Okay, there's Foxy. I just gotta find okay, Chica's there. Okay. Oh, okay, that was good. Okay, for some reason it's going a little slow. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to find Bonnie right now. Tracking. Heck? Screen is frozen. Or trying to touch it. Oh, come on, no, come on, no, are you serious? Oh, yes. Oh, come on, I'm trying to move. Move. Can I move? Oh, no, please. Also, by the way, I can't do it, so I think that's why. But no time to be... Okay, there's Chica, though. Probably gonna fail. I'm gonna fail. I know it. Oh, sorry, guys. I think this cracked. I think this is gonna be a problem for my videos, or my tablet videos, because I was kind of worried about this because ever since my tablet cracked or fell. Come on, I switched the camera, but can I get out? Okay, you know what? I don't know. I'm just gonna stay here and then wait until I... Oh, did I just win? What just happened? How did I win? Okay. Well, I don't know how that happened, but I guess we won. Anyway, so that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna end my video. But here's night 5, though. Okay, yes. Okay, so to find out, wait, is one guy dead or no? But I don't know, but to find out, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. So yeah, so don't forget to leave a like, post a comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. So see you next time, Infinite Army. Bye.